Hey everyone, I'm with Step and Design Studios, and today we will be looking at the Beauty Insider Style wigs from their latest collection. Here's the user guide. Okay. Oh my goodness. Here she is in all her glory. This is medium brown. Let's try her on, shall we? Okay. Oh my goodness. Gorgeous. She's a very rich brown. The color is gorgeous. She's extremely low maintenance, something that you would use every single day and is a staple in your closet. As you can see, she's very versatile and simple. She's always going to be on point for any look. She has so much bounce to her and movement. She's very lightweight and she's just so silky and soft. The straight texture keeps things sleek and polished for any look. And this short length adds a touch of confidence. And the best part is this wig is such a breeze to style. She'll add so much versatility and you'll look fabulous from day to night. This wig is made with a handmade lace front and handmade monofilament part, which, as you know, is the holy grail when creating a very natural and seamless wig. Let me break it down for you. The lace front is meticulously crafted with each individual strand going into the sheer lace material, and it is just so undetectable against your skin and will match any skin tone. The monofilament part adds just one more layer of realism to your wig. It involves individually hand knotting each strand of hair onto a sheer, fine lace material and makes the illusion of hair coming directly out of your scalp. When you combine these two elements, the lace front and the monofilament parting, you get a wig that is so versatile in options for styling, as well as just has a very natural look to her. She's extremely natural looking, as you can see. She's easy and breezy to wear, and I highly recommend the Beauty Insider wig.